Alright folks, so we're working on the John Deere 260 3-cylinder diesel. You saw in an earlier video I took the head off this thing, and it's got cavitation on the liners, and coolant was leaking into the cylinder and blew the head gasket. So I pulled the oil pan hoping I could do an in-frame on this thing. Can't get the oil pan out of the way. Not sure what the correct step is, so I just decided to get the radiator out of the way, and hopefully, yeah. So anyways, I got the fan off, I got the shroud unbolted, radiator's unbolted, this is unbolted. Don't want to disconnect that. That's the hydraulic cooler, but it's made to tilt out of the way here. But radiator's definitely in the way. Oh, look at this nice little shit repaired there. Oh man. Well, it doesn't look like it's leaking, but makes you wonder about the top there. Maybe they didn't have the right coolant in here. Anyways, so tearing it apart. Okay, so we got the fan shroud out of the way, the fan's off there, radiator's out of there. This is the oil cooler, still in the way, but this didn't help really. Well, okay, so I thought I could slide the pan up through here, but it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna undo the engine mounts and lift this end of the engine up. I only need like ½ an inch, I think, so hopefully the oil pan will clear. And if that doesn't work, then we got to pull the whole engine out, which I was trying to avoid, but these engines are just crammed right in here. I mean, there's no room to get anything done here. But anyways, we got the International 3/4 inch drive. Hopefully that'll bust these things loose, because those are tight. Alright folks, so took a pry bar, unbolted the engine mounts and took a pry bar and wedged up the mounts here about an inch and a half on each side. And wouldn't you know it, we got the pan out. Ooh, that's really shiny. Oh man. You do have to remove the filter, but I guess that comes off anyways. When you take the hose, it has an auxiliary joint right there. Okay, so let's see what we got here. All right, that motor is clean, super clean. These gears, they don't even show any wear on them. It looks like they're just starting to mesh in, meaning you can still see the original, there you go, the original machining on there. Hasn't even worn that off yet. Yeah, just incredibly clean inside here. Can we see the liners? No, they're way up in there. Okay, so I mean, this still isn't easy. Maybe we should just pull the motor. Yeah, halfway there, but I don't have a great thing about not being a professional mechanic is You don't have to follow any rules because I don't know any of them. So, yikes. That looks like a... looks like a spun bearing to me. Yikes. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Yikes. Oh, I hope we didn't hurt that crank too bad. Oh, fuck. Oh, looks fine. But yeah, this sleeve, she's pretty bad. Oh yeah, the piston was scuffing. Ooh, both sides. So, oh, okay. All right. Well, 2 more to go. All right, so we got all the pistons out. They're all scuffed really bad. This is the one that was blown out. I was afraid the connecting rod's bent, but oh yeah, I think it is bent. I think it is bent. Yeah, they're all scuffed. I mean, really bad. All right, well, I gotta go make a tool to pull these liners out. There's the rocker, push off. So yeah, the liners are all shot and they're all scuffed. Yeah, you can see the scoring. Now, comment down below. Is that caused by fluid being in the chamber when the piston comes up? It essentially bottoms out on the water, would force it into the wall. But I'm wondering if that's just a bent, bent the rod. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Comment down below. Thanks, guys.